Are you looking for the best? Wireless meat thermometers are a great tool for any cook. They help you monitor meat temperatures without opening the oven or grill. This ensures your food cooks evenly and stays juicy. With many options available, choosing the right one can be tricky. List number 1, App Control. Experience precise cooking with the wireless meat thermometer. It features app control and a 600-foot Bluetooth range. Dual probes and 6 sensors ensure accuracy. Get instant readings in just 0.5 seconds. The LCD display is easy to read. This device is IP67 waterproof for reliable real-time monitoring. Smart alerts help perfect your barbecue, grill, or oven cooking. Advantages: enjoy stress-free cooking with app-controlled 600-foot Bluetooth range. Dual probes and 6 sensors ensure precise temperature readings. Instant 0.5-second read saves time and effort. LCD display offers clear, easy-to-read information. IP67 waterproof design allows for effortless cleaning. List number 2, Meat Thermometer. Discover the Thermo Maven Wireless Meat Thermometer, designed for precise cooking. Its 10x enhanced signal ensures stable connections. Enjoy certified accuracy with a remarkable plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit precision. Wi-Fi connectivity offers unlimited range for barbecue, oven, smoker, and grill. The standalone display makes monitoring effortless. Perfect for both beginners and seasoned chefs. Advantages: enjoy precise cooking with certified accuracy of plus or minus 0.5 degrees Fahrenheit. Perfectly cooked meals every time. Wi-Fi unlimited range ensures connectivity anywhere. Ideal for barbecue, oven, smoker, grill. Standalone display offers convenient control. Monitor cooking without a smartphone. Enhanced signal stability provides reliable readings. No more lost connections. Sub-1G technology enhances performance. Great for busy kitchens. List number 3, Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer Digital. Experience precision cooking with the Meter Plus Smart Bluetooth Wireless Meat Thermometer. Perfect for barbecue, grill, oven, and more. It ensures your steak, chicken, and turkey are cooked just right. The digital thermometer offers hassle-free monitoring from your phone. Explore delicious recipes through the easy-to-use app. Enjoy perfectly cooked meals every time. Advantages: enjoy perfect cooking results every time. Meter Plus ensures precise temperatures. Wireless design offers complete freedom. Move around while cooking effortlessly. App includes delicious recipes. Discover new dishes for every meal. Versatile for various cooking methods. Works with barbecue, oven, and more. Easy-to-use interface simplifies cooking. Great for beginners and experts alike. List number 4, Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Experience precision cooking with the Chef IQ Sense Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Easily monitor your barbecue, grill, or oven remotely. Enjoy unlimited range with Bluetooth connectivity. 3 ultra-thin probes ensure accurate readings every time. Make cooking effortless and perfect. Advantages: enjoy precise cooking with the Smart Wireless Meat Thermometer. Accurate temperatures ensure perfectly cooked meals every time. 3 ultra-thin probes allow monitoring multiple dishes simultaneously. Save time and effort in the kitchen. Benefit from unlimited range with Bluetooth connectivity. Check temperatures remotely while entertaining guests. Easy digital display for quick temperature readings. User-friendly interface simplifies cooking processes. Perfect for barbecue, grill, and oven usage. Versatile tool for various cooking methods. List number 5, Thermometer. Experience precision cooking with the Green Wireless Meat Thermometer. Enjoy a 500-foot Bluetooth range for hassle-free grilling. Its stylish wave-shaped sliding base adds a modern touch. This thermometer is portable, IP67 waterproof, and perfect for kitchen lovers. Ideal for smoking meats with ease and accuracy. Advantages: enjoy hassle-free cooking with a 500-foot Bluetooth range. Cook anywhere. Stylish wave-shaped base adds elegance to your kitchen. Unique design. Perfect for outdoor cooking, it's IP67 waterproof. Weather-resistant. Great gift for kitchen lovers. Perfect for any occasion. Accurate temperature readings ensure perfectly cooked meals. No guesswork needed.